Good afternoon everybody. In this video I'd like to explain the camera equipment that I use when I'm filming. A couple of people have asked me, so I'll run through the things and try and give you the names of the parts, etc. Starting with the Lumix Panasonic G6. The battery pack holders are made by Smallrig. I have two of those, one on the top at the back there and one on the side for a backup. The bracket here which holds the Bose microphone is made by Ulanzi, as is the main frame which everything is held by. And then I've got the Smallrig outrigger along the top here, which holds the Smallrig battery holder, and the jumbo batteries are the NP F970s, the 6,900 amp hour. I have several of those, and three of those will last filming almost all day. And moving from there, I have the Smallrig zoom. I don't know whether you can see that zooming in and out there. That gives you a smooth zoom, so you can well, most of the time, so you can have one hand free. And moving on from there, I have the multi-coloured spectrum cine light. That takes the same batteries again. Moving on from there, these Smallrig battery holders, they can do both 12 volt output and 7.4. 7.4 the camera runs on. Some things run on 12 volt, so these step the voltage up. Really good bits of kit these, and if you want to see how much battery's left, just click that button there and it gives you what power's left in the battery. And moving on from there, I have a quick release hot shoe on the bottom, and with all this connected, it actually gives me enough room to flip open the door and take out the battery. Sorry, not the battery, the SD card. And the SD cards I use are what they are, the U3s, I think they are. I can't, can it in focus? U3s, yeah, and 64 gigabyte. Quite a fast card. A little bit more expensive than the standard ones, but they do quite a good job. And in here, where the battery would be, there's a remote dummy battery which runs up this cable and up to the power pack here. So that's about it really. Bought most of it second hand, and one or two things new, like the main frame and a couple of the brackets, and quite cost effective. Obviously if you go out and buy that all new, it's going to cost you maybe a couple of £1,000, but that's my setup there. So that's what I use, and it does a really good job. So once again, thank you everyone for watching. Take it easy. Good night.